So hello everyone, your host Ranjan this side, and today I'm going to share you some important topic or some thoughts of mine that life is just like a train that's come from one station to final station. In the between among the stations there are lots of small stations. But if assume that a train is coming from Kolkata to Delhi, in between this, if the train say that I will stop here in Katak Junction, then is there any people travel by this train? No one will travel this train because this is not going to give their destination. Life is just like this. If you are getting some success, getting some failure, these are just like a station. The train is stop for a minute in the station, relax himself to take the long journey. In between this, there are a lots of people can come inside the train and come outside the train. Train doesn't matter to it. This is just happened to your life. There are lots of people comes to your life and they can remove to your life, but you are keep growing to your life. The journey start from one station to another station is just like your birthday to your last moment of your life. In between you can get a lots of failure, a lots of success in your life, but if you stop here, then you are not going to get achieve something in your life. You are just false here and everyone will leave you because you are not a ongoing process man. So keep update yourself, keep updating yourself and take a smaller step, and you can take small step but take the most step in your life. After this, sign out myself, Ranjan Giri. Thank you.